If you need to report the progress of a project, using a chart like this can be a good option. Let's take a look how we can make a chart like this. First, just make sure that we have a percentage of the progress. Then go to Insert and select a donut chart. Then right click and go to Select Data. Click Add. Now select the name of the project as a series name. And type 1, the number of times you want a division in the chart. Click OK. Now right click and go to Format Data Series and change the expulsion and the hole size. Also, just change the color to this. Now right click again and go to Select Data. Click Add and select the headers of the table and series values. Now right click on the chart and change the chart type. Click Combo and make sure that we have donut chart selected for both of these options. And make sure that secondary axis is clicked for the progress values. Now select this piece of chart and right click Format Data Point and just click No Fill. Now do the same for the second piece and just by right clicking and Format Data Point, and this time change the color to white and change the transparency. Now finally go to Insert, Shapes and click a text box. Equal signs and reference it with the progress value. Now change the format and shape of the font. It's done. I hope you liked it. If you want more of these videos, just keep following. Thank you.